Hello my golden YouTubers, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. It's me, Miss Golden, and I am back with a new video. I'm doing something a little different. I'm going to be doing a review / tutorial on BoxyCharms. Woo! I'm going to go through all the BoxyCharms. I have two here. So this one's from August, this is from September, so I have 2 months worth of products here that I'm going to be going over. Alright, so for the month of August, let's see, this is what comes in the box. Typically, you get your card and your products on the inside. The one thing that I love about these cards is that each month has a different theme. So for the month of August, the theme was party animal. You can see it here, and right down here they have the products as well as how much the products cost. I love that. And on the back of the card they have little coupon codes that you guys can use if you want to purchase more products. So in the month of August, which is all of these goodies right here, I'm going to go over. I received the Laura Lee Los Angeles eyeshadow palette, and this retails for about $19. I really love these colors because they're very vibrant, you know, party animals. So you have your neons, your neon green, your neon orange, pink, blues, and a purple. So this is $19. The next thing I have here is the House of Lashes. This retails for about $9 to $12. The next thing that I have is the Smashbox liquid lipstick in the color, what is the color? In the color Rogue. And that retails between $21 and $24. The next thing that I have is the Wonder. This is the Wonder Bggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, and this retails for about $13. The next thing I have is the Adesse Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil, which is this right here. And this retails for about $18. Then I also received the Beauty Gel Eyeliner in the color Chocolate. It looks something like this. And that retails for about $22. So those are all the products that I've received for the month of August. Now I'm going to take a look into the September box. Same thing as the previous one. The box comes like this. When you open the box, you have the card and all of the products in there. For the month of September, the theme was wildflower, and this is what the card looks like. Same thing as before. When you open it, it has the list of all the products and how much the products are worth. Same thing on the back, you have a coupon code on the back as well. I really love this card. It's very beautiful. Okay, so the first item in the box that I received was the Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette, which looks like this. And when you open it, this is very pretty. The next one that I have is the Almond Cosmetics Beauty Brushes. So this is the brush set that they gave me, and this retails for about $18. I'm sorry, the eyeshadow palette, this one right here, this retails for about $35. Then I also received the Lorac liquid lipstick, which is in this little container here. I'm going to take it out, and it looks like this. I think my wording is upside down. There we go. Looks like this. and this it is in the color Dusty Rose, and this retails for about $19. The next one I'm going to go into is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten, which is this color right here. It is in the color Tropic Hues. Let me open it so you guys can get a better look. It's very beautiful. It's like a pink and it has some gold shimmers in it. Very beautiful. This retails for about $28. And lastly, I have a liquid eyeliner from Butter London. It looks like this, but the unique thing about this, when you open it, it has like a little roll on to it. So when you swatch it on, you swatch it on like that. So it has like a little roll on tip on the bottom of it. So if you guys struggle with the eyeliner, make sure you get one of this. So that's everything that, oh, I'm sorry. The Butter London retails for about $19. So all in all, you're getting a bang for your buck for just $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size items. To me, it's beneficial. This is a very inexpensive way to try new products without breaking the bank. Trust me, I know. Buying makeup can be very, very, very expensive. I'm speaking from experience, and I'm sure y'all know the same thing too. So what I'm going to get into next, I'm going to try on the products, and I'm gonna come up with a look, and just tell me what you guys think at the end. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit. It looks like this. I'm going to be using the color Banana to prime my eyes. Final look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial slash review. If you would like to become a member of BoxyCharm, I will have that information in the box below. All of the products that I've used and that I've mentioned in the video, I will be placing them in the product description below. You can also follow me on social media. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment and let me know if you guys like BoxyCharm or not, or the products that I received. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.